Have you been living in survival mode, living like a hermit, feeling like you're in a cave? Well, I'm bringing you, black and white is really sticking out. I'm bringing you some balance. Let's see, what is it you need to know to help balance yourself out, to pull yourself out of the hibernation cave? We got community. This is about you finding your community, like-minded people, people that have been through whatever it is that you've been through. Find that community so you have people that you can talk to that to understand. You have the angel of love with you right now, and that's not necessarily romance. This is about self-love because love does heal everything. And you need to remember and understand that. You need to love yourself to heal yourself. You do have Archangel Raphael here, healing your heart at this time. This is a heart healing, bringing balance, pulling you out of the cave, healing you with Archangel Raphael, and showing you the gate to walk through for this new beginning, making these changes, loving yourself, pulling yourself out of hermit mode to get into your community. You got to find your community. You got to find community that you resonate with, okay? And what else do we need to see? What else do we need to know? You got the angel of strength with you because you are strong. You've survived everything. You're still alive and you're still here today. Congratulations. I love you. You are so strong and brave in every way because you've not given up and you've gotten up for another day. The last card here, what it has to say is this has been a hell of a journey you've been on, okay? You've had to pick directions, but balance is on its way. You're still on a journey. We're always all on a journey as long as we're still here having our earthly experience in our meat suits, okay? But this journey is showing you a new direction at this time. You need to pay attention. Get to that community because you're strong. Your heart is healing. Your community is near if you haven't already found it. Archangel Raphael is with you at this time, helping you heal your heart. And that is the message of the day today. I love you so much. And if you ever want to start your healing, I do have a book that's in for publishing right now. It's called Love Heals Everything. And what it is, it's an alternative to an oracle card deck. It's called a flip and heal, where some people will take a Bible and open it up and read that page for the day. You're going to do that, open it up, and it's going to be a tool of some sort that you can journal about. And if you don't like to journal, you can just think. Go for a walk and think about the subject on that page that day. And there's a journal that will come with it, a companion to it, called your Book of Shadows. And even if you just get the journal, it has journal prompts in it to help you with your shadow work, to help you heal, help you love yourself, because that's how you heal yourself. And I also have a 16-week course coming up that if you would like to join that, just tell me in the comments. We can talk about the different packages that I have coming up. I love you. Keep going and don't ever give up. I'm so proud of you.